Welcome to another UniPhi training video. This video will cover adding a resource to a project. UniPhi has three types of entities that can relate to each other: an organization, a site and a person. In this video, resources will be added to an organization. To begin, select the project that you want to add resources to. Go to the Resources tab. Select Add Resource. Select internal or external resource. Add required resource. And specify their role. Press Save. Repeat process to add another resource. It is also possible to assign a resource to more than one role by clicking on Add New Role and selecting the relevant position. For more help, visit any of these support websites or call us for more info.